Hajar, Assam. It is very fortunate today that again I met with my brother David Morasing, young dynamic leader. You all know from 5th July, he started his food march from Agartala to Delhi. As you all know, Tripura is one of the laughing stock, I can say. Example, हो गया, because Tripura is a bordering state of Bangladesh. Tripura has a history, an own history, glorious history. As you all know, Tripura is the princely independent state, marched with the Indian Union 1949. Since then, slowly, the indigenous Triprasa people have suffered economically, socially, politically, educationally, in all their sphere of life. They were marginalized. And as you all know, there are a lot of struggle take place. Even armed struggled, democratic struggled have taken place for long years. As you all know, TNB Accord, which was signed long time back, and maybe I think I forgot the exact years, is a historical accord, TNB Accord, Gov of India and TNB underground. But the TNB Accord also not implemented. Again, there is a ATTF Accord was signed between India and ATTF. That also not implemented. NLT Accord and IPFT, Gov of India Accord. And lastly, very important, we have a accord, Tripasa Accord, which signed tripartite agreement between Indian government, Tripura government, and the Tripura Motha. As our icon, our Maharaja Bobagra, or the Kishu de Burma, also involved in this accord. And it is given assurance that after 6 months, this Tripura Accord will be implemented. And we are waiting eagerly. And already 6 months have passed. Now almost 1 year has gone. 18 months has already gone. But still, we're waiting and we have lost our patient. As you all know, there are several accords have signed between Tripura, indigenous people of Tripura, and the government of India, but they are not serious. Now we have lost faith. We have lost confidence in the government of India. It's because they have cheated us several times. Not one time, several times. So this is one of the example to express our agony and pain. Our brother David Morasing has taken up peaceful movement, democratic movement, just to express the token of expression of our feeling of our agony. Therefore, we are all support him. Whole people of Tripura, even Northeast people of Tripura, Northeast people, and like-minded people of Tripura, who are right-thinking citizens of India, are supporting him in spite of a lot of political differences, lot of religious differences. Most of the people we have found, we have seen in social media, the people are sympathetic on him. So we are very concerned about David Morasing, of his health, and of his team. Not only David Morasing, he have got a team with him, and they are struggling. And it's not a very easy task, as you all know. There are 120, how many? 2,500. 2,500 kilometers, roughly. 2,500 kilometers to work on food is not an easy task. Strong, have full confidence, have got a spirited man. So that we came from Tripura. There are a lot of women leaders are there. Our MLA, our all women leaders from Tripura Motha came up here to Kokrajhar from Tripura just to support him, to give him moral support and to bless him, to give solidarity to him so that he can go forward of his movement. And we are also very thankful to our local MLA. He's my old friend, very good friend, Lawrence Islahari. He's a long-time friend of mine. He also helped us. He supported us. He gave us water and something. He's very helpful, kind-hearted, and he's very good dynamic leader, I know. So he also helped us. So we thank him very much. And also I thank all the leader of people of Kokrajhar. They are also supported us and he's welcoming us. Now, just now we're moving ahead to the Dutma, and again we get Rampur. That will go to on the way to Delhi. So you all know the long time to march to go ahead, but we expect, we hope, we urge the people of India to support him and to help us. Thank you.